अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक नई गोल्ड कार्ड योजना की घोषणा की जो कि $5 मिलियन में बेची जाएगी और इसके माध्यम से जो अप्रवासी हैं उनको अमेरिकी नागरिकता लेने में कहीं ना कहीं आसानी होगी। ये गोल्ड कार्ड ग्रीन कार्ड का एक प्रीमियम वर्जन होगा और इससे न सिर्फ ग्रीन कार्ड के खास अधिकार मिलेंगे बल्कि
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's making headlines across the globe. US President Donald Trump recently announced that a gold card program that could change the game for Indian professionals and US companies. But what exactly is this program and how it will impact in the global workforce? Stick around, we are breaking it all down in the next 15 minutes.
People that weren't doing their job, they were just obstructionists, and a lot of people that didn't exist. These companies can go and buy a gold card, and they can use it as a matter of recruitment. At the same time, the company is using that money to pay down debt. We're going to pay down a lot of debt with that. Oh, and I saw you reporting it. Also, with the 5 million, you know, that's a path to citizenship. So that's going to be, it's sort of a green card plus, and it's a path to citizenship. We're going to call it the gold card, and I think it's going to be very treasured. I think it's going to do very well, and we're going to start selling hopefully in about 2 weeks. People, or there'll be people that were hired from colleges, like sort of like paying an athlete.
Some information out there, these activists, and they're disrupting the operation. So you got Trinidad Aga running all
Well, we
across
have
the country.
activists. That's true. And
So what are we going to do about the activism?
Yeah, a lot of those activists are acting illegally, and we'll give that to our Attorney General, and she'll take a look at that very strongly. And we provided a great thing. I mean,
Let's start with the basics. What is this gold card program? In a recent statement, Donald Trump proposed a new initiative that would allow US companies to hire skilled Indian professionals more easily. This program is designed to attract productive people, highly skilled workers who can contribute to US economics. Think of it as a fast track visa systems and but with a shining new name of gold card.
कि अमेरिका के लिए पैसा जुटाना, अमेरिका की अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए जो है वो बाहर से धन लाना। इसलिए जो EB-5 जो वीजा स्कीम है जो कि 1992 में बनाया गया था, जिसके तहत कोई भी जो बाहरी व्यक्ति है वो अमेरिका में $10.5 मिलियन खर्च करके वहां पे सिटीजनशिप ले सकता था। उसको ये रिप्लेस करेगा गोल्ड कार्ड, और इसके जरिए जो है वो 5 मिलियन में जो गोल्ड कार्ड है वो हासिल करके वहां पर सिटीजनशिप ले सकेगा। इसके पीछे ट्रंप का मकसद ये है, जैसा कि उन्होंने अपने बयान में कहा भी है, कि धनी लोग आएंगे अमेरिका, धन लेकर आएंगे, वहां पे रोजगार के अवसर पैदा करेंगे और अमेरिकियों को नौकरी देंगे। जो
Now, this is not the first time we have heard about the special visa program. The H-1B visa has been popular route for Indian professionals to work in the US for decades. But the gold card aims to simplify the process and make it more efficient. So, how does it work? Let's dig deeper.
Foreigners will pay $5 million. Then they can live and work in the United States. And it creates a pathway for citizenship. Basically, America is now officially for sale, at least to those who can afford the entry fee.
India is known as the vast pool of Indian professionals, especially fields like IT, engineering, and healthcare. For years, US companies have relied on programs like H-1B visa bring to skilled workers. But with the gold card, the process could become faster and more streamlined. Here, how could benefit both sides? First, for US companies, they get access to top talent without usual visa hurdles. This means faster hiring and fewer bureaucratic delays. Second, for Indian professionals, they get an opportunity to work in the US potentially with better benefits and job security. Last one is for the US economy. Skilled worker means more innovations, productivity, and economic growth.
America is now officially for sale, at least to those who can afford the entry fee. Now, the US already has a similar program. It's called the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Visa Program, created by the US Congress in the year 1992. It grants green cards to immigrants for making investments. The requirements are $1.05 million in general or $800,000 in economically distressed zones. That way, America gets the investments, and it allows the country to create jobs for immigrants. Trump's business and those linked to his family, in fact, have made use of this program in the past. In his first term, Trump even tried to raise the minimum investment requirement for the EB-5, but a federal judge struck it down. So now, rather than tweak an old policy, Trump has decided to go full-scale luxury. Citizenship, but make it premium. So, who gets this gold card? Trump says millions could get it. Saudi princes? Yes. Chinese tycoons? Yes. And Russian oligarchs? That too is a yes from Trump.
Let's break it down the key features of the Gold Card program. First is fast track hiring. The program aims to cut through red tape, make it easier for the US companies to hire Indian professionals. Second is focus on productivities. Trump emphasized that the program is for productive people, those who can add value to the US economy. Last one is mutual benefits. It is a win for both sides. US companies get talent they need and Indian professionals get access to new opportunities.
नमस्कार दोस्तों एक बात तो तय है, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने पूरे दुनिया को बता दिया है दैट ही इज अ प्योर बिजनेसमैन। मतलब अमेरिका आज से जो भी कुछ करेगा इट इज प्योर ट्रांजैक्शनल बेसिस। अगर अमेरिका को फायदा हो रहा है इकोनॉमिकली, पैसे आ रहे हैं, तब तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज अमेरिका उसको टच भी नहीं करने वाला। क्योंकि यहां पर आप देख सकते हो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पिछले एक महीने से और चुनाव के पहले भी अगर आप देखोगे बार बार इलीगल इमिग्रेशन का मुद्दा उठाते रहते थे कि अमेरिका में बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं, जॉब्स ले रहे हैं, गलत चीजें हो रही हैं। लेकिन यहां पर अब आप देख सकते हो डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने प्रपोज किया है गोल्ड कार्ड, और इसकी वैल्यू सोचिए कितनी है, $5 मिलियन। $5 मिलियन अगर आप इसको रुपी में कन्वर्ट करोगे, अभी अगर आप $1 इक्वल्स टू रुपी देखिए तो 87 के आसपास चल रहा है। तो लगभग आप कह सकते हैं 43 करोड़ से लेकर 44 करोड़ के बीच में अभी के आसपास। तो यहां पर अगर आपके पास इतना पैसा, अगर आप ये पैसा दे सकते हो अमेरिका को, तो आपको यूएस की नागरिकता मिल जाएगी। तो थोड़ा सा इसी को समझेंगे कि है क्या एग्जैक्टली यहां पर हो क्या रहा है। एक्चुअली हुआ क्या, ट्यूसडे को डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अनाउंस कर दिया एक न्यू इमिग्रेशन इनिशिएटिव। किसके लिए? जो वेल्दी फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, जो सुपर रिच कैटेगरी में आते हैं, जिनको अमेरिका की नागरिकता चाहिए। क्योंकि अभी भी क्या है ना कि भले ही आपके पास कितना भी पैसा हो, लेकिन अगर आपको यूएस सिटीजनशिप चाहिए, एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोसीजर से होकर गुजरना पड़ता है, जो वेटिंग टाइम वगैरह है, वो सारी चीजें फॉलो करनी पड़ती हैं। लेकिन यहां पर अब डोनाल्ड ट्रंप लेकर आए हैं गोल्ड कार्ड। गोल्ड कार्ड के तहत
But here is the big questions. How is this different asking visa programs like H&B? Well, this gold card could offer more flexibilities, faster time processing, and potentially better terms for workers. However, the details are still unclear and we will have to wait for more information.
I do think I agree with you on the, some people have the orange man bad syndrome, and the $5 million price tag on the EB-5 is a good example. I'm not a big fan of the EB-5 concept. One, the money that supposedly they invest always just gets bilked, frankly, by Americans who get pools of these investors who want to buy their way to U.S. citizenship. I also think it degrades U.S. citizenship, but you are right. It has been on the books for 35 years, and if it's going to be on the books, it ought to cost a lot. So I like $5 million more than $1 million, and I can tell you when I was the regulatory leader in DHS, we raised the price, so I know you can change it. I'd have to go back and look at the statutes, but we changed it in the first Trump administration, and so I know that he has some authority to do that. So I don't know that you would need to go back to Congress. Also, with respect to Gitmo, look, it's designed in part to be used and has many times been used as a migrant facility. These are human beings. I don't care whether they came here illegally or not. We expect people to be treated with dignity, but they're also prisons.
Of course, this announcement has sparked a lot of debate. Sporter says it is a great way to boost the US economics and strengthen ties with India. Critics, on the other hand, argue that it could lead to more competition for local jobs. Let's look out both sides. First is pros. The program could address the skill shortage in the US, especially in tech and healthcare. It could also strengthen India-US relations and create a more streamlined immigration process.
फर्म हेनली एंड पार्टनर्स के मुताबिक 100 से ज्यादा देश ऐसे हैं जो अमीर लोगों को गोल्डन वीजा देते हैं। इसमें ब्रिटेन, स्पेन, ग्रीस, माल्टा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कनाडा और इटली जैसे मुल्क भी शामिल हैं। हेनली एंड पार्टनर्स के मुताबिक जिन देशों में नागरिकता पाना सबसे सस्ता है उनमें नाउरू सबसे अव्वल पर है। यहाँ की नागरिकता पाने के लिए केवल 1,13,00,000 रुपए के आसपास की राशि चुकानी होती है। वहीं डोमिनिका और एंटीगुआ बारबूडा की नागरिकता पाने के लिए किसी व्यक्ति को 1.25 करोड़ से 2 करोड़ रुपए के बीच खर्च करना पड़ता है।
Second is cons. Some worries that could take jobs away from America workers or lead to exploitations of foreign workers. So where do you stand on this? Let me know in the comments below.
About the Trump Gold Card idea that you unveiled yesterday.
I hope you like it.
I await more information, but the question is, does this reflect a view on your part that the American immigration system has never been properly monetized as you feel it should be?
Well, not so much monetized. It hasn't been properly run. I get calls from, as an example, companies where they want to hire the #1 student at a school. A person comes from India, China, Japan, lots of different places, and they go to Harvard, the Wharton School of Finance, they go to Yale, they go to all great schools, and they graduate #1 in their class, and they're made job offers, but the offer is immediately rescinded because you have no idea whether or not that person can stay in the country. I want to be able to have that person stay in the country. These companies can go and buy a gold card, and they can use it as a matter of recruitment. At the same time, the company is using.
Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about what is this means for the future. The Gold Card program could become the game changer for the global time mobility. It reflects the growing importance of skilled workers in today's economy and need for a country to adapt their immigration policies.
करना चाहते हैं। तो बेसिकली अगर आप देखोगे यहां पर जो की डिफरेंस है, EB-5 वीजा प्रोग्राम के अंदर जो अभी तक चल रहा था, आपको इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए था और साथ ही साथ देखिए और भी रिक्वायरमेंट था कि कम से कम आपको 10 जॉब्स क्रिएट करना था यूएस के अंदर, और आपको जो सिटीजनशिप है वो तुरंत नहीं मिलती थी, वो मिलती थी 5 से 7 साल के अंदर। और अभी अगर आप इसका वेटिंग लिस्ट देखोगे, वेटिंग ईयर, तो 7 से 10 साल तक का वेटिंग लिस्ट चल रहा है। लेकिन डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का ये जो गोल्ड कार्ड वीजा प्रपोजल है, इसमें यहां पर सिंपल सी चीज है, बस आपको $5 मिलियन का इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, ना तो आपको कोई जॉब क्रिएशन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, और यहां पर आपको जो सिटीजनशिप है वो तुरंत दे दी जाएगी, आपको वेट नहीं करना है 5 से 7 साल का, जो अभी EB-5 वीजा में चल रहा था। और इसमें कोई यहां पर बैकलॉग भी नहीं है, बस $5 मिलियन दो और यूएस की सिटीजनशिप ले लो। अब जहां तक सवाल है कि इसका भारत के ऊपर क्या असर पड़ेगा,
But here is the things, we don't have all the details yet. Will this program actually become a reality? How will it be implemented, and what impact will it have on the global workforce? These are the questions we'll be keeping a close eyes on, and I will make sure to update you as more information comes out.
ट्रम्प साहब जो है ना, अब वो सिटीजनशिप दे नहीं रहे, अब वो सिटीजनशिप सेल कर रहे, बेच रहे।
बिल्कुल, तो आज ही ट्रम्प साहब ना नया एक एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑर्डर साइन करने वाले थे, और उस दौरान कुछ रिपोर्टर्स ने ऐसी कुछ सिटीजनशिप और डिपोर्टेशन को लेके कोई क्वेश्चंस उठाए, जिससे कि उन्होंने अपने 2 हफ्ते के बाद का प्लान का ऐलान अभी ही कर दिया। उन्हें इतनी एक्साइटमेंट थी ये चीज बताने की।
करेक्ट, कि भाई अब है ना अमेरिका भी है ना बेचेगा अपनी सिटीजनशिप, लेकिन ये जो है ना भाई, ये डायरेक्टली आपको सिटीजनशिप नहीं लेकर जाएगा। हम लोग यहाँ पर बात कर रहे हैं भाई, ट्रम्प साहब बेचने वाले और नया एक प्रोग्राम लेकर आ रहे भाई ट्रम्प साहब, जिसे कहा जाता है गोल्ड कार्ड। अब ग्रीन कार्ड तो आपने अब तक सुने थे, गोल्डन वीजा अब तक आपने सुने थे यूएई में, लेकिन अब अमेरिका जो नया लेकर आ रहा है ना, वो है भाई गोल्ड कार्ड। अब ये गोल्ड कार्ड है क्या, किसको मिलेगा, कितने पैसे लगेंगे, इससे जो दूसरी कैटेगरी के जो वीजा है ना, उस पर इसका क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो।
Thanks for watching. If you found this video is informative, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. We have got more exciting content coming your way every week. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.